These large workshops embrace the territory with a perimeter of several kilometers. This is the largest carpentry in Belarus. It's hard to believe that it has been developed from a tiny boot nail. That is exactly what Austro-Hungarian brothers Lipa and Alexander Luria produced 130 years ago. In 1892, their friend Louis Gershman founded a small match factory in Pinsk. Then, it developed into a timber mill, a plywood workshop and into a big match factory. By the end of 80s in the 20th century, Pinskdrev consolidates itself as a producer of ready-to-use furniture within the USSR market. In 90s, the employees bought the property from the state and created a collective association, Pinskdrev. Last 25 years turned out to be the most dynamic. Pinskdrev has got bigger with several more large factories. Today, the company is number one from the point of view of profits, export rates and number of working places created in Pinsk, and the leading holding company within the corresponding branch of industry. It took 2 decades to increase productive capacity in 12 times. It is absolutely best result ever achieved by any Belarusian company. Pinskdrev is a company of a complete technological cycle. The enterprise has got its own logging companies and specialized allotments for growing high-quality coniferous and deciduous tree types. For many years, we have been investing all our profits into production renovation. And now, we are the company of a complete production cycle. Pinskdrev produces a wide variety of converted timber from natural wood. Our woodworking workshop produces wooden pieces for construction, flooring boards, glued wood blocks, wooden plankings, plinths, flatbeds. Milled timber-based material is another profitable kind of goods. Milled granules are packaged in briquettes. Buyers use them as a solid fuel. The biggest part of its export goes to European Union countries. And this is the base of new products, our furniture board. It's made of glued wooden planks. Pinskdrev produces it using oak, alder, birch and pine woods. The newest gluing technologies make it possible to maintain the natural texture. Glued constructions won't rupture with time. From a small entry bench to a huge section for a living room, our equipment is able to implement thousands of design options. Some details and some kinds of inlaid works are still being carried out manually. Cabinet Furniture Complex embraces 7 production sites. Each of them has got its own specialized field of activity. This is the chair factory. Our technology was created by the Italians who had been recognized as the best specialists in this field. Our foremen work with some pieces manually. The other pieces are cut out by high-accuracy machines. Today, our factory produces 900 chairs per 24 hours. Upholstered furniture is produced at 4 factories. Tannery. Our masters sort out different leathers here on the basis of their colors, types and suitability to use in further production. We import raw materials from Brazil and Italy. While separate pieces are sewn together, we produce a furniture body frame in the biggest workshop. Even 1 mm deviation is not acceptable here, because ergonomics of a future chair depends on this feature directly. We also produce decorative straps here. In order to achieve the best quality of polishing, a polishing machine operator cuts out a new piece manually by himself. The machine records each movement of his hands and then performs the same. And finally, the most important stage comes – the assembling. Upholstery is put together with a body frame, manually only. Holding company Pinskdrev produces about 100 different items of upholstered furniture, furniture sets for recreation, sofas, sofa beds, ottomans, chairs. We work with different styles from classics to modern tendencies. We are doing our best to foresee furniture fashion trends. This factory produces about 150 orthopedic mattresses per 24 hours and more than 30,000 per year. Spring cartridges and mattresses and upholstered furniture are also produced in Pinsk. Springs in all our products are put into special cases. It helps to achieve better soundproof qualities. As you already know, Pinskdrev is not only about furniture, but also about other products in the field of woodworking. Plywood production is very important for us. More than 80% of plywood produced by our holding company is exported. We are proud to have received a TPC certificate. It proves that our plywood and curved wood parts meet all the requirements of EU and USA standards. Matches are the first mass goods produced by Pinsk factory. 3 million matchboxes or 120 million matches per 24 hours. We are the biggest matches producer in the country. We can take orders from individual clients to produce matches with different lighting and colors and various matchbox labels. The entire variety of products reaches the number of 1,500 items. Two-thirds of the entire goods production structure falls on furniture. Plywood and curved wood parts production takes a little more than 15%. Furniture components production takes 6%. Pinskdrev offers furniture pieces for any taste and budget. Our furniture can compete even with IKEA prices. And here is the furniture that can compete with more expensive similar foreign pieces. What is meant here are the products made from natural woods with greening. Special mixture rubbed on furniture pieces makes an accent on the greatness of oak structure and adds the hints of antiquity. Our holding company has created a huge commodity distribution network in Belarus. About 100 company shopping centers make up 50,000 square meters and more than 100 brand sections. The pride of Pinskdrev is single-branded shopping galleries in Pinsk, Minsk and Gomel. Furniture is set there into entire interiors, so clients can see how it can look in their apartments or houses. There are 10 sales offices and 60 company shops today in Russia. Moreover, the company has established partner relationships with 150 companies from the United States, Great Britain, Germany, Poland, Lithuania, Belgium, Hungary, Romania, Kazakhstan and Azerbaijan. The company sells its products to more than 30 countries in the world. Minsk, 2015. Normandy 4 Summit in the Independence Palace. All pieces of furniture from Royal Collection are made by Pinskdrev. This fact speaks for itself. Consulting company Intercom has found out that Pinskdrev is an absolute consumer preference leader in Belarus and well known in the neighboring states. Upholstered and cabinet furniture, plywood and matches, thin veneer, converted timber and wood products, furniture boards, curved wood parts and profile pieces, mattresses, window frames and doors. All products meet the requirements of ISO certificates 9001, 2001. And we're not going to stop, because we know that the results of this work will be making you happy not only today, but for many years to come.